Nia. A heddiw, da ni'n sôn am drychfilod.
What did you just do?
Drychfilod.
What's drychfilod?
Creepy crawlies.
Oh, I don't like creepy
No,
crawlies.
not me.
No? No, I don't at all.
I'm going to make you eat them.
No, I don't want to eat any creepy crawlies. This isn't I'm a celebrity to get me out of here, okay?
But you are a celebrity and you do want to get out.
Get
and
out
I've locked the door. Iawn te. Drychfilod, iawn. Creepy crawlies. Enwau Cymraeg. A mae yna rhai yn wahanol yn y gogledd ac yn y de.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Iawn te. I ddechrau. Pri.
What is that? A fly?
Fly.
A fly.
Yeah.
Okay.
So pri yn y gogledd. Cleren yn y de. Cleren in South Wales.
Okay.
Yeah? And then with pri, so we've got all kinds of different flies. We won't get into like specifics.
No, there's not.
But I do like that housefly doesn't translate directly as in pri tŷ. It becomes pri ffenest, a window fly in Welsh.
Oh, okay.
It's good, isn't it?
That is good. Yeah,
And-
confusing, but good.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's its own little guide. And one fantastic word is daddy long legs in Welsh.
What is it?
Jackabagla.
Oh, no way.
It's cool.
Jackabagda.
Bagla are crutches. Jack on crutches.
That's
Quite
brilliant.
cool, isn't it? Daddy
Yeah,
long
that's
legs.
much nicer.
Jackabagla.
Yeah, that's
Anyway,
good.
I haven't got a picture of a jackabagla.
Ah.
And he's symud ymlaen. Ooh, pre-cop.
Pre-cop, spider.
Pre-cop.
That looks like a horrible
Yeah,
one
mae
too.
hwnna'n un
Like a
mawr yn dydi.
poisonous one.
Ie, ti'n iawn.
Pre-cop?
Pre-cop.
Corin.
Corin. Nesa? Gwenynen.
Is that a wasp? Or a bee?
A bee.
Oh, look at it. Gwenynen.
Gwenynen.
And it's both the same, north and south.
Gwenyn. Gwenyn geirfa.
Oh, yeah.
Gwenyn.
Oh, yeah, of
More than
course.
one. Ti'n gweld bees. Gwenynen. Un. Before we go on, the word for bumblebee is so cute. Cachgi bum.
Cachgi bum.
Yeah. It's cool.
Is that rude?
Nah.
No? Cachgi bum.
Cachgi bum.
Okay. Good one. Write that one down.
Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Cachgi bum.
Bumblebee.
Right, nesa. Wasp. Ooh. Cacynen.
Cacynen.
Cacynen. Neu, yn y gogledd, neu yn y de, South Wales, picwnen.
Bikunen.
Yeah, like
I think I prefer bikunen.
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 Nesa.
Nessa. Gloin boo.
Oh, yeah, lots of
I
words.
thought that was pili pala. now.
Yeah, I like pili pala.
Who's messing with me?
There's lots of words. Pili pala is good, isn't they?
Yeah.
Glowing byw.
Glowing boo.
Neu, the other one that's quite nice, ydy iar fach yr haf. Little hen of the summer.
Oh, that's quite cute. But pili pala for me.
Pili pala.
Yeah.
Every time.
Why change it? Why have 3 different versions? No,
yeah?
I'm right.
Nesa?
Yeah.
Gwefin.
Moth.
Moth.
Gwefin.
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 Un arall, beetle.
Oh, cute.
Ti'n meddwl?
Yeah. Chwilen.
Chwilen.
Chwilen.